Hi folks, that was just a short, well sorry, say it again. Sorry, I just can't think straight. Right, so just back on the, just another short video. Hope everyone's keeping it good and enjoying the good weather. Like I said, sorry, I'm just not with it today. Anyway, this is just a short video, just a nature canal walk. This is the ending now. It was only a short one, just to show you how peaceful it is. Like I said, I'll just do a little bit more longer here, then I'll be ending the video. It is, just check the temperature, 3 centigrade. It did snow last night, but it's all gone. But I did say I wouldn't do any more videos now till after Christmas, but it's too cold to go do any videos, to be honest. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. As you know, I'm always out most days, even when it's freezing. Like I said, I'm no professional at this. Like there's a lot of YouTubers who got a load of merchandise like tops and hoodies and caps or whatever. But like I said, this is my own thing. Like I said, I will have music in the video because I didn't actually talk for a change. But like I said, it's beautiful out here, even though it's freezing. But like I say, I do appreciate your comments. I know I haven't got many followers or subs, but it doesn't cost a thing just to leave a comment and tell me what you think, or even press that button, the like button. But I always say to people, this is the best thing to get out. Even when it's cold, just get out. It's good for you. Even it's freezing. I've got my umbrella with me as well. I've got my wellies on. To be honest, I don't really put myself on camera because I don't really like, a bit camera shy, to be honest, but just seen a beautiful bird there. You won't be able to see because I can't zoom in. It's on a post there, it's got light blue in it. I'm going to walk really slow. That is a weird bird. That was a weird bird. It's got all like blue on its wings, and it's got a long beak. It's on that tree up there. I did actually go see it there. Actually, if I can actually slow that down, if I can slow it down, you'll be able to tell me what the kind of bird that is. I've actually walked from here, I think I'm trying to think now, the railway tracks that way. I've actually walked from Birch's Head to, what do you call it now? Near Ending actually. But like I said before, I think some places have got snow worse than the other. I think like Buxton and Leek mainly got their, you know what I mean, most of the snow and everything. Right, I'm going to end it here because like I say, it's only a short one. It's just a nature one. My hands are cold. My legs are warm. I'm okay. Like I said, you always just thank yourself each day that you're getting up to a new day, even if you're going through a lot. That's what I always say. Even if you're struggling, in pain, miserable. I know, I mean, we all can have his miserable days and bad days, can't we? But like I say, if you get out, it's a lot better for you. Like I say, I don't really like coming on camera much, but I will try a bit more, because I am getting old. I was going to film a bit longer, but there's a couple walking along, so. But that's my short canal nature walk. I'd rather be out here in the freezing temperature than being stuck in behind four walls. I could walk down there, to be honest, because I've got my Wellingtons on anyway. So I can stick my glove on. I've noticed my hands are getting a bit dry with this horrible weather. But hopefully, when the weather starts picking up, I'm going to start getting out a bit more and just trying to find different places to film. And if I've got the energy, I will do either Stone, Crewe or Stafford. But depending on the weather, if it picks up a bit more and stuff like that. But like, I do apologise if I don't do much content, because one, it was Christmas, and two, the weather. I was going to cycle today, but thing is, I got caught in the rain. Not yesterday, the day before. The rain and the freezing weather. Right, folks. Just want to say I love you all, and I want to thank you for following me, even though I don't do much content. But like I said, press that button, the like button, leave a comment. Don't be shy, it doesn't cost nothing. Anyway, I'm going to leave the video here now at Milton Bridge. If you can see, I think it was there. It used to be a factory. I'm not 100% sure. If you can leave a comment, I'm sure it used to be a cotton factory or something like that. I'm not sure. It used to be there on that corner there. Then top of there, where the Millrise pub is, there used to be a building on the corner there, an old shop, like what I've seen with pictures and everything, you know what I mean? But anyway, I'm going to leave it to you for now. Hopefully I'll see you soon once the weather starts picking up. Anyway, love you loads, and like I said, don't be scared, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video, and I'll bye for now.